My people, I salute everybody. I greet everybody for your time. You know, and my prayers to everybody to stay blessed and keep on moving. Life will be good. And I thank God for our life. Every day, God, everything you do, you have to put God first before you do everything in this world. Because without God, we are nothing. We are nothing. So, my brethren, today I am here, Bata TV, once again. Please, if it is your first time to watch Bata TV, please, I beg you to subscribe. I know that our program, not everybody that will like our program, but even though you don't like them, please, if you come across them, please try and raise the channel, please, because we need you people to go far with our channel. If you people don't help us, we are nothing. If you are not with us, we are nothing. So you people are our everything. Please, if you come across to my videos, please subscribe and share and like, because here we are here to to learn. We are here to learn. You can learn from me, I can learn from you. It doesn't matter. So today the topic is, our politicians are doing too much. We thank them. We thank them. All the works that they are doing, we thank them. But their work is not good enough. Their work is not good enough. Because these days in my country, the things are not moving good. Nothing is moving right. Nothing is moving good. All you hear is, campaign. Campaign has come again. Though we have to vote for these people again. Ask yourself, the 8 years, the 4 years you give them, what thing have they done for you? What thing or what work have they done for you? They are playing our mind, my people. Sorry. They are playing our mind. You see, because the level of politics in Africa now is too bad. It's too bad. I like to talk politics because it's my business. Because these politicians are taking us like we are ordinary sand. You see, if you do sand like this, it's like that. They are taking us like we are sand, or we are meat that they, if you cook that, you can chop or you can chew. And it's not like that. If somebody vote for you, the person vote for you because of the achievement of the country. That is why the person vote for you. The person didn't vote for you because of to go and be enjoying you alone for that seat. No. So me, I'm blaming the citizens. Because before you vote for somebody like NDC MPP, before you vote for them, you have to be sure what you are doing. Not go and just vote for somebody just like that. Because the person come to your house and buy you with rice and Milo, sugar and tomatoes. That is not right. We ourselves, we are the main people who are giving these people the opportunities, the power to do what they are doing. To do in fact, we are giving the power to do bad things they are doing to us. Because we ourselves, we are not thinking straight. We are not thinking right. You go give your vote to somebody, bam, then you go. Without thinking that this person I'm voting for, the person will come and do my country good or will come and do my country bad. Don't look what they are saying or don't listen what they are saying in their campaign. If you listen to them, like I will do like this, I will come and build school, I will come and build road, I will come and do like this, I will come and build this dam, I will come and let people eat free, I will come. All these things are lies. These people, if you give them 200 years, if you give them 200 years, they can't do anything for you. If you want to give them 1,000 years, you can't achieve nothing. You will not achieve nothing. We the citizens, we have to wake up and stand as the citizens that we are, so that we can achieve what we want to achieve, not with violence, with peace. We can achieve everything with patience and peace, with seriousness. We can achieve many things. Because our countries, I can't tell you how much money we get, but they go out there and borrow again. They go out there and borrow again. My brother, what type of nonsense is that? You get money, resources abundantly, and you will go to another man's country and borrow money again. Where are your senses? Where is your sense? Why you have to borrow? At the same time, you get money inside your country. I don't understand that. The government have to get their own engineers. If you want your country to go further, excuse me. Sorry, this my window is disturbing. The breeze is too much, so it's confusing. Sorry. As I was saying, the government have to get their own engineers to make your country grow, progress, achievement. You have to get your own things. If they want to build the road, you have to get your own engineers that they are building roads. Don't go and call China. Say, China, come and build roads for me. Which means you are not a country. Which means you are not ready to progress. You are not ready to move forward. You are not ready. If you want to build estates, don't go and call China. In the government, you have to get your own contractors, your own builders, engineers that can build inside your country, so that if road construction come, they are the people who are going to do it. Those people, you are paying them a month salary. You will not go and contract some people from anywhere to come to chop some necessary money. No. Train Ghanaians, train them to know how to build the road. Send them outside to go and learn. People who can build road, people who can build hospitals, people who can build estates, people who can make a farm a farm. Those people, if you get them in government, my dear, your country will be moving with speed. Speed is allowed, though. Overtaking is not allowed. Yeah. So my people, please, we have to know what we are doing. We have to know what we are doing. Because we ourselves, our mind is not straight to achieve. You have to fight for it. No system. That is my point. Every day, my various videos, if you listen to me, people don't want to listen. They want to see people dancing, people removing their pint, women removing their nyash, big breast, make they see. This can talk, nobody want to listen. Nobody want to listen. How we will make and progress and move on and make a beautiful future to our countries. Nobody want to listen. But it's our business. Me, I take upon me special. It's my business. Me, I won't insult anybody. Because life, everybody with his work that God give him. You are a president, you have to do it well. If you are a teacher, you have to do it according to your teaching. Well, discipline. But It's like our African leaders are not disciplined. No, it's true. They are not disciplined. Because if you are disciplined, everything that the country needs, you have to do it. Because you have the facilities, everything to do it. Why our system? Why you people don't want to build our system good? I don't understand. To build system is very, very easy. The money is there. The money is there. We don't say to pay somebody a month if the person is not working. But here in Europe, it's happening. How many years ago they have been doing it? They have been doing it. Somebody who is not working, the person is receiving salary here in Europe. You understand me? To help the person, because the person is citizen of Germany, citizen of Italy, citizen of any other part of Europe. In American side, they are doing it. Why we can't do it? In this generation, wide open generation that everybody know everything, we can't do it. We can't do it. Our everything is nothing. It's zero. We are down, completely down. And if they vote for them 4 years, if the 4 years finish, they will come again. And these people, these politicians, they don't get shame. They have no shame at all. They have no shame in their dictionary. And they will come again. And people will listen to them talking. No, it's very bad. You don't have to listen to these people. They don't deserve it. They don't deserve it. To listen to them, they don't deserve it. Because if somebody is lying to me every day, you understand me? The person can't be my friend self again. If you are a liar, you can't be my friend. You will be my enemy. Because you are a liar. You are lying to me every day. That is African leaders. You understand? We have to wake up. We the youth. Not with violence. Me, every day I'm talking. Not with violence. If you do something with violence, you are killing yourself. Do it with the blessings of God, and you will see what will happen. Just say your mind, as I'm saying my own. Say your mind, because people have to be learned. People have to learn. Our brain is too close. Our brain is too close. We will not go to school like that too. But this Europe way we come, open our brain. Open the brain now. Open like this, like tiger mouth. Because if you are a president, if you come, I can give you advice. Now I can give you perfectly advice. If you follow it, this is people will like you. People will love you. What is money? Money is there. You will eat it and go. You will eat it. One day you will die and leave this money. All this money. Somebody will come and eat it. You understand me? But you make good name. You eat the money, but you have to make good name out of it. Don't eat the money at the same time you lose your name. If you lose your name, you lose your God. If you lose your name in this world, you have lost your God. Because to lose your name means you lose your everything because you are not doing the right thing. That is why people are calling you bad name. If you do good thing, they will call you good name. You understand? So it's shameful, it's pity. I like to speak for Africa because I'm crying inside my soul for Africa. See, because I want to see maybe coming generation laughing. I want to see coming generation smiling like any other people. Because if you enter anywhere, we are like slaves. Anywhere you enter as a black, you are like slave. They treat you very, very bad. They treat you without respect. You see, but if our places are very good and we don't travel, you will see these people will respect us. They will come to us. We will help them too. Not every day they will be helping us. If somebody is helping you every day, the person will look down of you. The person will look down of you every day because if not the person, you will not live. You understand me? If you want 1 cedi, you will go to the person will give you 2 cedi, the person will give you 3 cedi, the person will give you. You look how the person will look you. The person will look you like babu. But if our government every day they go to China, give us money. After we pay you, give us money. After we will pay you, give us money. After we will pay you, renting, give us this thing. After, they will not respect you. They will not respect you, my dear. You have to be wise. You have to be wise. You have to be wise. Because God give us this thing, this brain. You have to work. This is not your family. We are talking about entire country. Entire country. We are talking about country. Country. We are talking about country. It's not easy. If it is your family, you can manage it as you want. But this is country. So you don't have to play people mind. You have to be serious. You have to be serious. You have to know what you are doing. Not come and sit on president and be doing trash, be doing nonsense. Even some people don't know what they are doing as a president. You understand me? Our education is going rubbish. Our education is rubbish. Ghana, our education is totally rubbish. Look what happened the other day. Children are doing exams. Totally rubbish. No system. Nobody cares. Everyday entertainment. People want to dance. We have to be wise. Where the world is going, we are not going there. We are moving aside. You see, some people want to go further, but we are going narrow. We are going narrow. My people, we are far from these people, far away from these people, from these white people. We are far away. We are far away. Don't let your brother, they say every day, one of my friends said, please don't let your brother die before you help him. Don't let your brother die before you help your brother. That is Africa. African leaders are killing African people to achieve their goal. They are suffering people to achieve their selfish goal. You see, and that is very, very bad. We have to resurrect. We have to resurrect our country. We have to resurrect our countries because we are going back. We are going back. And we thank our leaders for that. We applaud them. We have to applaud them because they are doing nonsense work. Yeah. They are doing nonsense work. You have to applaud them. You see? So that is it. It's not easy. We have to learn many things. If you don't learn every day, you will be in darkness. You will be in darkness. So if you come across this video, please share to your friend, share to your family, share to your lover friend, share to your lover, share to your parent, share to everybody around you, because it's a word of wisdom to our country. Because these politicians are doing they don't know what they are doing. Because at the end of the day, there are no system in Africa. That is the point, the main point. No system. If you want to do something in your country, you don't have to go and call anybody. That is my point. You have to get doctors, engineers. As you get doctors inside your country, you have to get engineers inside your country. Government have to get their own farm. About acres, you have to be farm of citizens. They harvest those farms and they will reduce the price. That is how they do it. They cultivate the land, the government land, and when it comes to harvest, they harvest and they will sell. If they sell, the price will be cheap in the market. That is how they build countries, because all your money will be yours, not to people. Your money will not, you will not give your money to anybody. Every day you will be keeping your money, you will be keeping it, because you are your own businessman. If you import something, is something small, something that you can't afford to do inside your country. You understand? So we are missing those things. This is the point. You understand? Very, very important. If you want to build a stadium, we have to get engineers that they are doing it. We don't have to go to China and go and construct some people, some village China people, and come and do it for us. Very, very, very bad. You don't have sense. You don't get sense. If you do like that, you can't progress. To build a country, you have to do your own thing. You don't have to go to people. That is my point. That is our problem. That is African problem. Why people are going to school? To come and sleep. Our engineers, where they are? Our engineers, where they are? If we want to do something, we have to go to another man's country and bring them and do it. Our engineers, where they are? Why are they going to do that? Those their school in America, in London, everything to do engineering? Why? If not so, they don't have to go this thing. They don't have to further their education to high level to engineer. If you call yourself engineer, like road construction engineer, you have to be there as the person who have to show everybody. You have to be there like supervisor, and people will be under you, and you will be showing people, do like this, do like that, do like this, do like, and they be doing it. You, the school where you go, why you go the school as an engineer? Why you go the school? If you want somebody to come and build road for us, we have to go to China and bring those people. And they will say we don't have the facilities to do it in our country. Why you don't have? You can bring the facilities and the engineer will do. And the engineer will do. Their own country, we don't have plane. We don't have plane in our country. Plane. Ghana Airways is finished. My brother, it's too shameful. It's too. I don't know how to put it. It's too rough. It's too rough. It's too rough. No. It's like children's play. Our government. The level of our government is like children's play. Serious. It's like children's play. And if I look my back, no. We are far away. Far from these people. So we have to be wise. System have to come inside our country. You understand? And these presidents, they want 4 years, these kind of things. They have to reduce it. We don't have to get any year. They don't have to vote somebody to come and rule 4 years. 2 months, if you are not doing well, they will promote you. Somebody come. 4 months, 6 months, if you are not doing well, they remove you. Somebody come. Somebody is, when the person is serious, we put him. 1 year, if you are doing good, we will manage you. 2 years, we will manage you. 3 years, we will manage you. 4 years, we will vote for you again. But if you come, we give you like 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months. You are not good, we promote you. We put another person. That is how they have to do politics of Africa. That is how. Because Africa, if you give them chance too much, they will be stealing the money. Give them small chance and see what will happen. You understand? I talk about 34 minutes. The story will continue. I have many things to say, but I can't say it today. This small thing I have said, maybe it can help some president somewhere. Maybe if they listen to it, they will pick something inside. Because Africa need system. Africa needs system. Without a system, you are not building anything. You can't go anywhere. You can't go anywhere without a system. You can't go anywhere. Don't lie to yourself. You can't go anywhere without system. Without system, you can't go anywhere. You can't go. You understand? So I am always Bata TV. I love Africa. I love it with all my heart. With all my heart. And I love all African people because they are here. They are here. So I want the better future to Africa. The better future. Because I will be very, very happy if I see it. You know. So this is Bata TV. Please, 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 please subscribe. Subscribe. I need your help. I need your help to promote this my channel. Subscribe if you come across it. I'm not NDC, I'm not NPP. Because of this politics of a thing, I'm not any party. I'm not any party. I hate any party because they are not making me feel good. You see, they are not making me feel good. They have to convince me. I want the president of Africa to convince me, to make me feel happy. Before maybe I would think to follow any party. But for now, no. For now, no. Yeah. I thank everybody. This is Bata TV. Please, if you come across to my videos, please subscribe. And don't hesitate to put a like and share. I love you people all. Bye bye and bye bye.